What's up, everyone? It's Hey John, and I jabber opportunities nonstop. And today we will be discussing Dogecoin. And by gee golly, I am seeing some very strong rumblings. And ladies and gentlemen, if you're a Dogecoin hodler, I believe you will be soon rewarded. So make sure you watch this video so you know what's going on and how you will be rewarded. I want to start the video today with a familiar character we all know as Barry Silbert. He says, so much money patiently waiting to BTFD and Bitcoin. If you are a long-term Dogecoin hodler, Barry Silbert's name should be ingrained in your brain. You know why? Because prior and close to the SNL was Elon Musk. He came out and said, you know what? I am going to short you guys. And he did exactly that. He shorted Dogecoin prior to SNL and during SNL and after SNL, and then this man made massive profits at the expense of many Dogecoin hodlers. We know that during that time, we were seeing Dogecoin getting listed on many different CEX, central exchanges, and when that happens, when you put your coins into a central exchange, well, you are essentially giving your coins to someone else to hodl, and they're able to make contracts to short your particular coin. In this case, Dogecoin. So why is it important? Because now we're seeing Barry Silbert want to go where? Long. That means to the moon. And let me go ahead and show you guys some more information here to further tie this together so you understand and have a clear picture of what's going on. We can see the Dogecoin shorts here, 51.83% and 48.17% longs. This means that we have more people shorting Dogecoin than going long. And shorting simply means that they want the price of Dogecoin to go down. Before I mentioned to you guys contracts, well, Binance holds 45.74% of the Dogecoin on the CEX. FTX holds 22.97%. Combined together, they hold about 69% of all the Dogecoins. So you can imagine how many contracts they can write to short Dogecoin, and they are doing that exactly because when you put your coins into a CEX, they hodl it and they are able to leverage against it. This is why people always say if you have Dogecoin, take it off the CEX and put it into your own decentralized wallet, which is non-custodial, but there are caveats to that because you are the sole owner of it. There isn't a password to recover it. So if you lose your password, aka the words, well, then your coins are gone forever and it's not recoverable. Simple as that. But it'll still be on a blockchain. It'll just be considered burned. Now, folks might say, okay, well, what about Robinhood, right? Do they and are they a bad CEX? I would say no, because as far as I know from my information, Robinhood does not leverage anything. There's no staking. So essentially what that means is that Robinhood literally just buys and sells and they make micro profits through the transactions. To me, it's fine. People like to always give them grief. Oh, is that really free? Well, folks, nothing's free, right? Someone's got to eat. Don't you have to eat when you work? Same idea here, folks. But the point being is that you don't actually get charged anything. They make it through the back end. And what's the big deal in my opinion? Without them, there would be no Dogecoin, to be honest. Let's give respect where it's due. Robinhood was the first one to list Dogecoin in a place where it's easy to buy, and most importantly, in a time when nobody knew or believed in Dogecoin. When I say nobody, I mean the masses. There's always a small cohort of niche people who always believe in it, but it was Robinhood, in my opinion, that brought it to the mass markets. So we can see the Dogecoin wallets are actually increasing from 4.719 to 4.725 and then 4.734. So we can see the wallets increasing every day. This is a good sign because people are literally buying the dip. So I want to cover Dogecoin on a weekly perspective right now. And we are seeing Dogecoin showing a descending triangle. And that is a phenomenal and a very bullish pattern. We can see the RSI indicator starting to slow down and starting to curl back up slowly from the bearish position. And ladies and gentlemen, I think we are primed for rockets. Let me go ahead and explain to you guys now. We are also looking at altcoin season. It's currently at 67 points. And we know once you hit altcoin season, Dogecoin is primed to run. So ladies and gentlemen, what is a descending triangle? Well, essentially, when you see the angle go down here like this, you're seeing people buy and hit the resistance over and over and over and over as it comes down. And then you're seeing the support line here bounce, 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 bounce. Now, I want to put this all in a very concise and simple summary for you guys. Barry Silbert, huge shorter of Dogecoin, is looking to go long in cryptocurrency. That is the first sign. The second sign is altcoin season is currently at 67. We're seeing Dogecoin shorts at 52%. So we have the fuel for the short squeeze. We're seeing a bullish pattern on a weekly time frame on the Dogecoin chart showing a descending triangle, and we're seeing lots of support at around 15.34. And ladies and gentlemen, do not forget, we're going to have AMC accepting Dogecoin around March. We're going to have the Doge One rocket coming very soon. And ladies and gentlemen, let's not forget, folks, when this news comes for Dogecoin, it comes hard and it comes all at once, and we're going to see huge rumblings, and we're going to see a huge rocket and a breakout of Dogecoin. Now, I don't know when this will happen because the news comes when it comes, but I'm telling you folks right now, if you were considering getting into Dogecoin, not financial advice, but I always encourage folks to dollar cost average and you will have a fantastic return over time. But of course, with a strategy, it means you're investing, you aren't day trading, so it's a long-term commitment. But in my opinion, I believe 15.34 may be where Dogecoin lifts off and goes back to all-time highs, which is around 75 cents, and we go past it. And if you were here last year, Dogecoin had a huge run-up, literally from February to about mid-year. And then it started tapering off, and it went downhill since then. But in my opinion, if you're holding Dogecoin long-term, it does not matter because Dogecoin has a massive community. You're seeing the wallets increase every single day. You are seeing people buy it up and increasing their amounts on the side. And I know there are many videos out there always saying Dogecoin to the moon, etc., 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 and pumping you guys up. But ladies and gentlemen, I am not like that. But I do believe we are going to see a Dogecoin pump, and we're going to see it fairly soon. It may take a few weeks, but when it comes, folks, make sure you're strapped on because we are going to one place and one place only, to the moon. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Get $250 in Bitcoin using my BlockFi link down below in the description. Get 2 free stocks courtesy of WEBULL. And get $25 in Crow, Crypto.com, links and referral codes down below in the description. And most importantly, have an awesome day, and I will catch you all on the next one.